Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus MS Word. Let's dive into their fundamental differences. Excel is primarily designed for working with numbers, calculations, and data analysis, making it perfect for spreadsheets and financial models. Word, on the other hand, is your go-to for creating and formatting text documents, like reports, letters, and resumes. Understanding their core purposes helps you choose the right tool for your task. Excel's strength lies in its robust formula capabilities, allowing for complex calculations and dynamic data manipulation. You can easily create insightful charts and graphs to visualize your data. Word excels at text processing, offering sophisticated formatting options, spell check, and grammar correction. It's also fantastic for collaborative work, enabling multiple users to edit documents simultaneously with track changes. For tasks like budgeting, project planning, or managing inventory, Excel is the clear winner due to its structured data handling. If you're crafting a professional resume, writing a detailed report, or designing marketing flyers, Word provides the necessary tools for polished, text-heavy documents. Choosing the right application ensures efficiency and professional results for your specific needs. While distinct, Excel and Word can work together. You can embed Excel charts or tables directly into Word documents, enhancing your reports with dynamic data. Both are indispensable tools in any professional's toolkit, boosting productivity and organization. Remember, the key is to select the program that best suits your specific task. Also, for other great deals, and to grab your own little tree's black ice, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.